They go through so many phases, but one thing never changes. We are always there to protect them. Whether they are learning to crawl, walk, or climb, it's time to protect them from whooping cough. The DTaP vaccine protects children from 3 serious diseases, including whooping cough. Whooping cough is highly contagious and can make babies and young children struggle to eat, breathe, or sleep. Half of infants with whooping cough become hospitalized, and coughing can be so intense that their ribs may break. Like a car seat, vaccines keep your child safe from serious harm. Talk to your healthcare provider about the DTaP vaccine, because it's not about today, it's about protecting every tomorrow.